The next prince in the Magnum Mansion is a performer that puts thought and effort into every single performance. And now we know why the big woman them love of the boy. Yeah. Make some noise, you hear, no, son of face. Make some noise for Vanzo.
We want live like we a dream. Of so many houses like we a build a scheme. Why you think taxi man run taxi? Mama working at the market when no clean. Vendors them a hustle on the roadside. The fisherman them on the boat side. Well I know the whole Jamaica want big stinking money, chilling in the yacht with some hot senoritas. Big song a pumping at the speakers. £1 billion come down like rain a fall, so me money sound. When want $1 million and no nothing, another $1 million for mama shop. And them we there, don't no make me ask where they pay there. No make you laugh, go which party K there. Live life, get to you, never plan to stay there. So we aim high, like we got plan to shoot when the sky and blow there. In a Bugatti, me a pass and say hold there. Rich like gold, tell me if you like that sound there. Money fit all like the Japanese, them wire. Keep drunking, punkin' pan the stage there. US scholarship, really. Once I get to you, tell him granny rate me. Take money, granny, use it. Use money, wash your plate, them when they greasy. Me mind say me a go wrong, me no believe it. So me listen to me heart, me stethoscope it. Me hear, and there goes me heartbeat. So me and it a work together like the hands them on the concrete. No one, big stinking money, well I know.
Alright, come here, Vanzo. You bash though, or you a bush? Cheers! Let us start with Professor Nuts. What you thought about Vanzo?
No. That's a big up the designer Balashan. I said 6 and next month I feel something down a beer side, but that ammunition. There goes my heartbeat. How you do that? That is very good. That's what we want in reggae music and dancehall. People with ammunition we can make you think. Think what you're going to. You know what? Forget about the Rugo. Make we put him in at the back of the net. One more. Beautiful.
Thank you, Nuts. Tanta, I have to ask you, what you thought about Vanzo?
Well, artists, when you talk about rich, you talk about maintenance. Okie dokie. And I like your performance, I like your lyrics, and we are coming to something, every Get a Youth and Get a Girls, we are coming, we are getting rich every day. And we have to call on it. It's coming, when we call on it, it's coming. Excuse me.